Hey everyone, welcome to today's Freedompreneur Tip of the Day. Today we're going to be covering the difference between cold traffic and warm traffic and why cold traffic really should be treated like dating. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of traffic you get when you're driving your car in your geographical area. I'm really talking about you placing an ad, whether it be on Facebook or towards your blog or towards your offer, and the reaction that people get when they get there. So let's get started. Why is it cold traffic, you say? Because it's like asking someone to take an action and they really don't even know what you're offering. Or more so, like being inside of a crowded bar and ask someone to go home with you and they've never even met you. You're basically skipping the getting to know you phase and going right for the marriage proposal. What's the likelihood of that happening? Not so good. So what do? First, you need to engage them. Then, buy them a tasty beverage. And only then, ask them on a date. This is exactly how you have to treat your business. You offer them and engage them inside of a lead magnet or a giveaway. And then you create the big picture for them. Allow them to see point A to point B. And then, and only then, you invite them to take an action. This not only allows you to create a warmer customer, but even better dating. All right, guys, we'll see you next time inside the Academy. I hope you enjoyed this tip of the day.